Tesla's solar roof installations are ambitious and amazing products, but Tesla has stopped scheduling new solar roof installations in most markets in the United States. It's not clear what's happening, but the deployment of its solar product is at a crawl and way behind Elon Musk's goal. When launching the solar roof, CEO of Tesla Elon Musk presented it as a critical product to accelerate solar power deployment, as it opened up the market to people needing a new roof in the near future, all while delivering a compelling new product. He said that he aimed for Tesla to produce 1,000 new solar roofs per week, 1,000 by the end of 2019. It was always clear that Tesla was far behind on that goal, but we didn't know by how much until earlier this month. The company never released data on its solar roof installations and always included them with its solar panel retrofits, which represent the vast majority of its solar power deployment. Earlier this month, Electrek obtained solar roof installations for the first time and confirmed that Tesla deployed 2.5 megawatt of solar roofs during the second quarter of 2022, or about 22 roofs per week. 23 roofs per week versus 1,000. Now Electrek has learned from sources familiar with the matter that Tesla has paused scheduling of solar roof installation in virtually all markets in the United States, which is the only country where Tesla is installing solar roofs, friends. It's unknown why Tesla has to pause or stop installations, but it is likely due to a low supply of solar tiles, Electrek reports. Tesla has paused solar roof installations due to supply issues back in March. Tesla has moved the installation crews to install solar panels, which are still going great. Tesla had its best month of solar panel installations ever last month. Solar roof is now in its third iteration, and Tesla has made cost improvements and speed of installation improvements, but it remains an expensive product with problems that has resulted in serious issues for customers. What do you think, friends? What do you think Tesla has stopped scheduling solar roof installations in most markets? Supply chain issues? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and have a great day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report. There is a particular Tesla model which is the fastest selling used car on the market today, according to one study. Tesla dominated the used vehicle market in June 2022 with its Model Y mid-size SUV. The fastest selling used vehicle was the Model Y last month in a list ruled by electric vehicles and hybrids. That means a lot of people are buying electric vehicles and hybrids as they lead that particular list. So according to an IC Cars study, the average used car took 52.1 days to sell in June 2022, a little longer compared to May, when used cars took 50.4 days to sell. Both new and used car prices rose in June over May as inventory constraints continue to plague the new and used car market. Rising interest rates and high gas prices have also heightened demand for more efficient and affordable vehicles, said IC Cars executive analyst Carl Brauer. The study analyzed 224,000 new and used cars sold last month and found that used car prices increased by 10.5% compared to June 2021. The average price for used cars also slightly increased compared to May 2022 from $34,119 to $34,154 in June 2022. So the top 20 fastest selling used vehicles in June 2022. Tesla Model Y is the first on the list average days to sell is 24.9 days to sell a Tesla Model Y, and the average price is $69,784. Toyota Prius Prime is the second. It takes about 25 days to sell an average Toyota Prius Prime with $31,867 for average price. Then comes Ford Mustang Mach-E, great car I've tested. Then comes Toyota Prius, Tesla Model 3 comes number 5, Tesla Model X comes number 6, Mazda 3 sedan comes number 7, then Kia K5 number 8, then Toyota Highlander Hybrid number 9, and Acura ILX number 10. As you can see, the fastest selling used vehicle list is dominated by electric cars. Tesla Model Y number 1, Toyota Prius Prime number 2, Ford Mustang Mach-E number 3. Now, despite being well above the price of the average used car, the Tesla Model Y was the best-selling vehicle in the market. Used Tesla Model Y vehicles sold for an average price, like I said, $69,784. For comparison, a new Tesla Model Y all-wheel drive long range costs $65,990, while the performance variant starts at $69,990 as of this report. The study compiled a list of the top 20 fastest selling used cars. Cars on the list sold an average of 31.7 days, selling 1.4 to 2 times faster than other used vehicles. Used Tesla Model Y vehicles sold after around 24.9 days on average. Brower speculates that the estimated delivery dates for new Tesla Model Y units are elevating demand for used vehicles. That means as it takes longer time to deliver Tesla Model Y, that elevates the demand for used vehicles. That's why you saw the used average Tesla Model Y sold for $69,000, while a new Tesla Model Y all-wheel drive long range costs $65,900. The estimated delivery time for a new Model Y long range is between January and April 2023. People don't want to wait. The performance variants delivery estimates lie between August to October 2022. I'm sorry, my phone rang next to me. So besides the Model Y, Tesla's used Model 3 and Model X cars also made it onto the study's list. Used Model 3 vehicles came in 5th place, selling at an average of 27.7 days at around $52,216. Meanwhile, used Tesla Model X units took about 28 days to sell on average at around $90,089. So what do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts. I think this is very exciting. It's a kind of slippery road, these people buying new cars and then immediately selling them for a profit. I don't know, basically turning into a more expensive GPU scalping situation again, I guess some people say in Tesla comment section below. Now, if they want to deal with the wait times for new Tesla, then turn around and sell it, I guess. I feel like they'd be making a very small amount of money over a long period of time. I don't know. What do you think, friends? This is Armen Hari. I'm from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. God bless you, everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report.